Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw Doodle Dog. That's me. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, let's start up here at the top of the page and we're going to do a big curving line around like this for my hat, and that's what we're going to start. And my hat is called a beret, and a lot of artists wear berets. It's kind of a traditional outfit for an artist, so I like to wear it. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Like that. And then up here in the middle, let's just do a little cap on top for the beret. There's always like a little cap. Okay, now let's leave a little space and we'll do a curve line for where the beret meets the top of my head. So here we go, like this. Like that. Okay, now we're going to draw my big glasses. And these are kind of challenging, but I think we can do it. So let's do, starting here, we'll do a curved line across like this. Follow along. Take your time, there's no rush. Like that. And now let's do another little curved line to where the glasses are going to connect to the other part of the glass from my other eye. So then from that point, now we're going to do a curved line to about here. Top of the glasses, like that. Okay, now back where we started the glasses, let's just do a straight line down like this, and then on the other side we're going to do a straight line down like that. And now this is going to be the bottom of the glasses. I'm going to stop right about here. So you just go in a little bit and then a curve, straight line that goes into a curved line like that. And we'll do the same on the other side. So in, down, and then we'll curve it over. Like that. Okay, now in between here, we're going to draw my nose. Let's just do a curved line up like this and over and connect it there. And now let's finish this oval off for my doggy nose. Like that. Okay, great. Now, right here, let's imagine the glasses behind my nose, and we're going to go up with a curved line like this and stop, and then add a curved line on top, and then a reverse curved line down to finish my glasses. Okay, now let's draw the lens inside my glasses now. So leaving a little space here, starting right about here, we're going to do a curved line that goes down and back like that. And then we're going to continue it behind the nose shape, up like this. And then we'll bring it back and connect it to that line like that. And let's do the same on the other side. So starting right about here, we'll do a curved line, a slightly curved line around, and then we'll hook it down. And we'll go back up. Like that. All right, that's looking pretty good. Now let's add some eyes inside of those glasses. My big eyes. So let's do a circle right about here. So starting right about here, we're going to do a circle. Goes back around, and we'll do one on the other side. Like that. And let's do a circle within a circle for the highlight on both sides. And now let's do the outer shape of my eye. So starting right about here, leave a little gap, and we'll curve it around, and we'll connect it back down like that. Let's do the same on the other side. So a little gap from the side of the glasses lens, and then we'll hook it back around and stop right about there. All right, that's starting to look like me. It's my self-portrait. Okay, let's do some eyebrows above those eyes. So right about here, we'll do my big eyebrows, and we'll curve it around like that, and we'll do one on the other side. So starting right here on the top of the glasses, curve it around and go back down like that. All right, now let's do a highlight on my nose. So starting right about here, let's just do a curved line that connects across, and when we color it, we'll leave this top part white, and then this part we'll color in black, because I have a black nose at the end. A lot of dogs have black noses. All right. Okay, now let's do my mouth now. So starting here at the bottom of the nose, we're going to do a curved line like this that goes around. So down straight, and then it curves, and I'm going to be a happy self-portrait. And then a little cheek line, and then starting right here, we'll do a curved line back up. So like that, and then a little cheek line like that. And now let's draw my teeth. So starting here, we'll do a curved line like that, curved line like that, and like that. And then back where we started the teeth, we'll do my open mouth, because I'm smiling, I'm a happy doodle dog. So here we go, gonna curve down like this, and then we'll bring it back up like that. And then let's draw my tongue inside my mouth, and we'll color it in black. Like that. And let's do my bottom of my mouth here. We'll do a chin, so leaving a little space, we'll just do a curved line around like this. Like that. Okay, now let's do the sides of my head. So starting up here where the glasses are, we'll do a curved line down like this. That goes like that and makes my neck. And let's do the same on the other side. So starting up here, we'll do a curved line and then down to my neck. And let's do my ears. So starting up here by the glasses, we'll do a curved line like this, and then we'll overlap it and give it a little sense of some fur on my ears. And then down here, we'll start over there and we'll do the other ear. We'll do something similar. And we'll curve back up and connect it behind the hat. All right. Oh, let's color in those eyes black. I forgot to do that. There we go. See, sometimes you get carried away when you're drawing pictures and you forget to color certain things in. All right. Okay, now let's do my scarf around my neck. Okay, so we're just gonna do a line that curves like that, and then we'll do the knot here. So a little curve line and another curve line, and then we'll go back up here like this, like that. And let's do the knot. Let's finish the knot off. So here we'll just go down like this and like this, and we'll do a little line in the middle like that. And then over here on the side of the neck, we'll do the rest of the scarf. So like a curved line like this, and then to give some depth and dimension, we'll add another curved line that goes like that. And let's add that. Let's do that to this other side. That. Like that, and leave a little space because we're going to do where the scarf ends or is tied up here. So we'll do an almond shaped line that sort of curves down, goes back up, and we'll do another one, goes down, back up like that. And now let's do some lines inside here to show that it's tied up, and then one like that, one like that. There we go. And now let's draw my shoulders. So we're going to do a curved line coming off the scarf like that, and then one on the other side like that. All right, now let's draw my hand here holding my favorite tool, a pencil. So starting right here where the shoulder meets, we're gonna do a curved line up like this for my thumb. We'll have it wrap around like that. And then let's do my fingers. So starting over here, we'll do one like this, and one like that. And then let's do the middle finger here, and then my pointer finger here, like that. Great, and now let's draw my arm here, holding the pencil, just a curved line like that, and a straight line like that. And now let's put the pencil in my hand. So let's do a sort of a straight line here that goes down, curves on the top, and then we'll keep it parallel to that other line down like that. And imagine it going through my thumb and coming out the other end, so it looks like I'm holding it, and we'll have it go down like that. Go to the pencil point. You always want your pencil sharp when you're drawing. And then a straight line up like that. And let's do the end. We'll do kind of a wavy line and close off the end and make it a sharp pencil point. And now let's draw the eraser. So there's always a little piece of a metal here that holds the eraser. And then maybe we'll do some lines inside of the pencil shape. Just give it some dimension. So just a thin line, maybe a thin line like that. One down like this, maybe one like that.
Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in.
I'm going to color them my normal colors, but you can color me any color you want. You can be silly and color me green or purple or whatever's funny to you, but I'm going to keep on my normal colors, which is brown for my fur, and we'll do a darker brown for my eyebrows, and we'll do a dark gray for my beret, and let's do that same color for the glasses too. And we'll do red for my tongue, and we gotta do red, more of an orangey red for my scarf. And let's do a blue for my artist smock. And maybe we'll do just a slight sort of off-white color for my gloves. And my yellow pencil, pink eraser. Don't forget to sign your doodle.
I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video. Ask your parents to like and subscribe.